Hi everyone, my name is Raj Tilak, and today we are going to see how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox and the Linux operating system in it. So in order to download the VirtualBox, you have to visit this web page, oracle.com tech network. In this location you will find Oracle VM VirtualBox. Alright, and in this download this Windows 32 or 64-bit, download and install. So I have downloaded here, so just I'm clicking on it and I'm going to install. Just click on next in order to install. Next 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 So the VirtualBox is installed. And it's opened. So I'm going to install the Linux operating system now. So the software where I'm going to save, the location will be here. Okay, so this one is not required, right? So in VMware location I'm going to save everything. So I'm just going to create a folder here, the name of Sinora. So click on new and name the Linux operating system Sinora, and what type of operating system you are going to install. So I have chosen Oracle 32-bit. Next, and how much RAM you are going to allocate. So I've given 2 GB of RAM, and click on create a virtual disk hard disk now. So I'm clicking on, and this is a virtual box, so we need to select a VDI VirtualBox disk image. Instead of selecting this one, you have to click on this and click on next and click on dynamic look allocated. Next, and where this software need to be stored, so click on browse here and go to computer, D colon, in VMware, in the Sinora I'm going to save. This is my location. Okay, so click on save, and how much disk you are going to allocate. So approximately I'm going to give 35 GB to create. I just created. Alright, and go to setting, or else you can click on right click on it and you will go to setting and go to system. Hence we are not using the floppy drive anymore nowadays, so uncheck that one and I've scrolled down and click on this extended feature, enable IO APIC, right, and go to network and click on the adapter 1 bridge network. Alright, and that's it, and click on OK. After that, just you have to play. Alright, so I'm clicking on play. It is asking the source of the operating system, so I'm going to use the ISO. So I'm clicking on, so my ISO is located here in D colon operating system OS. In that I have click on OEL5 start. So click on enter, just give enter. And click on skip. It is a welcome screen, so I'm clicking on next, and the language It's automatically selected English. So click on, and it says like the partition, the disk you have selected, do you want to format? Yes, the 35 GB, and hence I'm going to use the custom layout partition. So I have click on create custom layout, and next go to new. So swap 4 GB and click on new, root, fill the maximum available size. So I'm going to give the complete full size. Okay, so it's given now, and click on next. So you do have an option to assign an IP address after installing the operating system, but I'm going to give the IP address here itself. Okay, IP6 uncheck, and the machine name Sonora dot local domain. If you need an internet access, you can give the primary DNS and secondary DNS IP address over here, so you can access the internet in the Linux machine. Next, and select the, we have selected the country where we locate, and give the root password. Click on next, and whatever the package you required, you do have an option to choose this later, or else choose the customize now. And desktop environment, I am clicking on KDE. In the development except Ruby, I am selecting all of this, and go to server. In legacy network, because I am going to use the Oracle in this mission, so I need to select a few RPMs in order to install the Oracle. Okay, go to system tools, and I'm choosing the Oracle ASM parameters, and click on systat ucpuLDD, and click on close. Next, click on next. So the Linux is going to install now, and this would take approximately 4 to 5 minutes, because this is a solid state hard disk, so this won't take too much of time to install the operating system. So the Linux installation is completed. I'm going to restart the machine now. So reboot. and click on forward the welcome screen and select the license agreement. Disable the firewall because we are going to use the Oracle installation, so disable the firewall and SELinux. Forward, continue. So this will restart again. After this we will see how to install the virtual VM tools. Okay, virtual tools. Okay, now log in as a root and type the root password which I have given. So the Linux is installed. So now we are going to see how to install the VM tools. Okay, so click on device and click on install guest additional CD-ROM drive. So you will get this one. Close this. Right click, open the terminal, go to cd/media VirtualBox ls. So we need to run this package because we are using Linux operating system. So in order to run, just type sh space /vbox linux, enter. You can restart or else log off the user. The service will get restarted. Alright. So today we saw how to install the VirtualBox and the Linux operating system. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.